A showing of this airplane. We're here. See how it flies. And you can see it's kind of complex, but it's really easy to make. Well, we just tried to experiment with this thing, so let's see how it goes. This time, we're gonna try to hold the airplane this way. It just kind of backwards. Okay. Let's go. Ready, set. Well, wait. No. Well, now we're gonna try it again. Ready, set, go. You didn't really see that, so try again. This time from above. So follow us. Oh yeah, and I remind you all this time to do this at night. Watch out for Slenderman. Is that clear? Okay? Okay, well, look. Here's the airplane again. Show it. Here's the airplane again. For various reasons, we don't show our faces, okay? Anyways, let's go. Let's take a look. Okay. Ready, set, go. Set off. For various reasons. So please like and subscribe, okay? Thank you.